I have a Patreon. They're the reason I'm here. They're the reason you're
Sure.
here. They're our top supporters. And so I give them an opportunity to ask the guest a question. So this is from Dylan. What were some of the hypothesized steps that our surviving ancestors took to survive a 20 to 30 degrees Celsius environmental temperature change and build back a new society?
I don't know of temperature change that extreme, although we're looking at some very extreme. I mean, we're looking at 10 to 12 degrees Celsius, which would be about 18 to 20 degrees Fahrenheit. But that's way beyond anything we've experienced in recent times.
Yeah.
Coming out of the Little Ice Age 150 to 200 years ago, temperature of the planet has warmed about a degree. So we're looking at warming of 20 times that much. Now, what did people do? That's a very interesting question. You need to find a place of refuge to ride this thing out, because at the same time these extreme temperature changes are happening, the whole surface of the planet is being remodeled in a major way.